Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sync Microsoft Forms with Excel using the latest Microsoft Forms interface. This allows you to automatically send form responses directly to an Excel spreadsheet in real time. Let's get started. Sign in with your Microsoft account. Open an existing form or create a new one. Once your form is ready and you start receiving responses, click on the Responses tab at the top of your form. Inside the Responses section, click on Open Result in Excel. If you are using Microsoft 365, this will automatically create an Excel workbook stored in OneDrive. This Excel file is live and connected to your form. Every time someone submits a new response, the data will automatically appear in that Excel file. You don't need to download it again. If you want the file saved locally on your computer, you can click the three dots in the Responses section and choose Download a copy of responses. But remember, the downloaded version will not update automatically. Only the OneDrive Excel file stays synced. You can also access the synced Excel file anytime from OneDrive under My Files. That's it. Now your Microsoft Forms responses are synced automatically with Excel. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updated tutorials. Thanks for watching.